Katelyn and Daddy, and today we're going to make
Notebooks.
some notebooks
Check it
for
out.
all of our smart ideas.
Yeah, it's gonna be easy to make. This is a no-sew craft, so you don't need to know how to sew. You don't need a fancy stapler. All you need is a couple basic supplies. So this is what you're gonna need.
By the way, I won at rock, paper, scissors.
All right, supplies you will need for today's craft. First thing you're gonna need is some fancy paper or an old calendar or something that looks pretty.
And then you'll need paper, but it's computer paper. Loose leaf paper.
There you go. All right, you're also gonna need a piece of cardboard or something soft. Today we're using some squishy material we got in a packaging material.
And then you'll need scissors or anything to cut. We have a cutter. We're gonna use the cutter today.
Yeah, fancy craft cutter. You're also gonna need some push pins or some nails, something sharp. You're gonna need some staples too. All right.
And then, last but not least, you'll need decorative stuff. We have butterflies and word and letters. And we also have glue and sparkly tape, which that would be fun.
Fun.
We're
All
gonna
right,
get glitter all over our hands today.
let's get crafting. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Now you need to take your fancy craft paper. I've picked out a rock pattern paper.
And I picked out a flower paper.
Now it's got a little cut in it, but that's okay because all you need is the same size as your loose leaf paper. So get a piece of your loose leaf paper, figure out how big that is.
Which this is big enough to where we can get that off.
There we go, we can do it. So we'll go ahead and cut and get that done. So go ahead and let's do it.
Get your scissors or your cutter or whatever you're cutting with.
Yeah, whatever you're gonna cut with. Here we go. All right, time for step number 2. Take your loose leaf notebook paper, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to need to fold it in half. So take it.
And line it up. And if you need any help, people can help you.
Yeah, get an adult to help. What we do is we line up the 4 corners together, like that, and then we push your finger across it. You can use scissors or something else. If it hurts your fingers, you can use scissors to push it down, or a pencil or something like that. What you gotta do is you gotta fold every piece of your paper. So it's gonna take a few minutes, but go ahead.
Okay. Whenever you have all of your papers folded, well, we do, you'll need to.
You need to put them inside. So start with the first one, lay it open,
Yeah. And
then put the next one inside of that.
then fold that one open. Or you
Yeah.
could just get all of your papers and
I don't know if that's gonna work.
put it in.
But you gotta open each one. Each one has to sit inside the other one. See?
So this part is going to be very fast.
Once they understand it. There you go, just like that.
And then after,
See, it starts to look like a book now.
and make it look like a book, you'll have to flatten it, but not all the way where it's like, you'll need to like kind of put it inside the book.
See, I'm done already. You better hurry up.
And after we're done, make sure you don't flatten the paper though. Don't flatten the paper. It should kind of look like this, so it's like a book. And I'm gonna fold it.
No, don't do that. Here you go. What step are we on anyway?
We're on step 3, I think.
Step 3. Step 3. If not, we'll edit that part out. All right. Next thing, you need to take your fancy craft paper. You're gonna need to fold it in half, just like we did all the other stuff, all the other pieces of paper.
Can you help me, please?
Dream team. Boom. All right. Then take your craft paper now and grab your other notebook paper and line them up.
Make sure whenever you get it, you measure, like put it, like do the thing like here.
Tap it down, kind of line it up so it's all the same, right?
Yes, because we
Good
don't
call.
want any messes up.
That's right.
But-
Mistakes do not need to be made yet. Anymore. Next thing, we're going to need to mark the holes for our staples to go in. So what you're going to need to do is take your staple, put it here on the paper, take your pencil, and mark a line, a little dot, wherever that staple is going to hit. So you're going to put 2 there, 2 holes in the middle, and 1 all the way down here. Now you have a spot marked for you to poke a hole in it. All right, next thing we need to do is to poke the holes. So now you want to grab your cardboard.
Or your flat, or your, whatever this is called.
It's a soft piece of packaging.
I don't think that will fit.
All right, so you just gotta line it up. Get all this stuff lined up here now. Now if you're having trouble keeping your notebook lined up, you can take one of these binder clips and you can use it to hold everything together. Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. There you go. I think we got it. All right, so we're gonna take our push pin now and poke some holes. So here you go, ma'am. You ready to go?
Okay, so at your hole you push down
Push.
all the way through.
Make sure it goes all the way through.
Don't let it get the table,
Yes.
which it's probably not.
Hope not. Mom will be mad. This is our outdoor table anyway, so it'll be good.
Putting my legs at that thing.
So next thing we need to do is this is the hard part. Okay, so you need to flip your new notebook over, get one of the staples, and now you got to poke the staple back through the holes you just made. Now it's going to be kind of hard. You're just going to have to work it in there and get it in. All right, and what I like to do is once I get one through, I'll flip it over and I'll use my pencil to push the staple back over.
I have a fluffy pencil that I'm gonna use.
Fluffy pencil!
It's my favorite pencil. There, our notebooks are made.
All right, so now I just fold it back in half, and if you want, you can be done. This is a perfectly nice notebook, ready to go.
If you want, you can also decorate it with
Now,
glitter.
there you go. We can put glitter tape on there. You can decorate it up and make it your own. You can put it anywhere you want. It's yours. That's the back cover, by the way.